Hi, I'm Steve Presley with Virco Manufacturing. I'm the Vice President General Manager of Virco. Today we're excited to have the EPA here, being recognized as a WasteWise Hall of Fame member. Virco's always excited to open the doors to anyone. Virco is the largest manufacturer of school furniture in the nation, and we take very much pride in being a leader in the recycling world. We're one of the 16 members of the WasteWise Hall of Fame, and every day that we operate, we're constantly looking for new ways and methods to reduce our waste. We started recycling efforts back in the early 90s, basically with metals and cardboard, but today we're 47 materials recycling every day and looking for new ways to recycle, reduce the footprint going to landfills, and are excited about being recognized from Stoker, the Regional Administrator of the EPA today, and we're just excited to take this tour.